Hello, everyone.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Emma.
We are very happy to see you again today.
Today's episode is a little different.
Yes, it is a little deeper.
And maybe a little uncomfortable, too.
Uncomfortable? That sounds serious, Emma.
Yes, Jack, because today we are talking about something many people don't like to hear.
What is it, Emma?
Don't waste your time.
I think everyone has heard this sentence before.
Yes, but not everyone really understands it.
That's true. People say it like advice.
But they don't really explain what it means.
So today, we're not just going to say it.
We are going to understand it.
Because learning English is an art.
Yes, and we will also learn how to stay focused in a world full of distractions.
Before we go deeper, we have a small request.
If this podcast helps you even a little, please follow and share it.
Share it with someone who needs this message today.
Because honestly, this is not just an English lesson.
It is also a life lesson.
All right, Jack, let me ask you something simple.
Go ahead, Emma.
Do you think people really waste their time, or they just don't realize it?
That is a very powerful question.
What do you think, Jack?
I think most people don't realize it.
Can you explain that?
Yes, because wasting time does not always look like doing nothing.
That's interesting.
Sometimes it looks like scrolling on your phone for hours.
Yes, or watching random videos again and again.
Or overthinking small problems.
Or waiting for the perfect time to start something.
Wow, that sounds like real life.
Exactly. And the problem is, it feels normal.
So people don't even feel guilty?
Yes, because everyone around them is doing the same thing.
That sounds dangerous.
Very dangerous, Jack.
Why is it so dangerous, Emma?
Because slowly time passes.
Days pass.
Months pass.
And even years pass.
And one day, people suddenly ask, where did my time go?
That is a scary question.
So, what is the real meaning of don't waste your time?
It means be aware of how you are living your life.
And use your time for things that really matter.
That sounds simple.
Yes, but it is not easy.
Why is it not easy, Emma?
Because distractions are everywhere.
Let's talk about focus.
Good idea, Jack.
Why is it so hard to stay focused today?
Because our attention is always under attack.
From what, Emma?
From phones, social media, notifications, and noise.
So focus is not natural anymore.
Yes, it is a skill now.
Let's make it practical.
Okay, Jack.
Imagine someone wants to improve their English.
Yes, they start learning.
But after 5 minutes, they check their phone.
Then they open social media.
Then they watch one video.
Then another video.
And suddenly, 1 hour is gone.
That is a perfect example of wasted time.
Not because they are lazy.
But because they lost focus.
So the real problem is not time.
The real problem is attention.
Yes, where your attention goes, your life goes.
That is a very powerful idea.
Let me ask you something, Emma.
Okay, Jack.
Do you think successful people have more time?
No, they have the same 24 hours.
Exactly.
The difference is how they use their time.
So they don't waste time.
They invest it.
That is a perfect word, Emma.
Yes, they invest time in learning.
They invest time in growing.
And they invest time in building something meaningful.
Now, I am thinking about something.
What are you thinking, Jack?
Maybe wasting time is not always obvious.
Yes, sometimes it is hidden.
Like avoiding difficult tasks.
Or staying in your comfort zone.
Or waiting for motivation.
Exactly.
So how can someone stop wasting time?
We will talk more about that later.
But can you give one simple step now?
Yes, start small, but start now.
Not tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow.
Not later.
No, not later.
Start now.
Because time does not wait.
And many people forget that,
Time is always moving.
whether you use it well or waste it.
That sounds a little scary,
Yes, but it is a good kind of scary.
because it helps you respect your time.
Respecting time is very important.
Think about this, Jack.
Yes, Emma?
If someone wastes your time, how do you feel?
I feel bad.
But when you waste your own time, you don't even notice.
That is true, and a little painful.
Because we don't see time like money.
But actually, time is more valuable than money.
Because you can earn money again.
But you cannot get your time back.
Exactly.
So the real question is, why do people still waste time?
There are a few big reasons.
Let's talk about them one by one.
First, lack of clarity.
What does that mean, Emma?
It means people don't know what they really want.
So when people don't have a clear goal, they just go with the flow without direction.
Yes, Emma, and when you don't have a goal, everything feels okay.
Even wasting time feels normal.
That makes sense.
Another reason is fear.
Fear of what, Emma?
Fear of failure, fear of judgment, and fear of starting.
So instead of trying, people avoid taking action.
Yes, they stay busy doing small and easy things.
But they avoid the important things.
That is very powerful. Another reason is comfort.
Ah, the comfort zone.
Yes, it feels safe, easy, and relaxing.
But it also keeps you stuck.
Exactly.
So wasting time is not always laziness.
It is often a mix of confusion, fear, and comfort.
Now this is getting deeper.
Yes, because if we don't understand the reason, we cannot fix the problem.
So how do we fix it?
Let's start with something simple but powerful.
Awareness.
What does that mean, Emma?
It means noticing how you spend your time.
Without judging yourself?
Yes, just observe your habits.
Like tracking your day.
Exactly.
For example, I spent 2 hours on my phone.
And I spent 10 minutes learning something useful.
That can be shocking.
Yes, but it can also open your eyes.
What comes next?
Priorities.
Choosing what really matters.
Yes, because if everything is important, nothing is important.
So, we must decide what deserves our time.
Exactly.
Let's make it practical again.
Okay, Jack.
If someone wants to improve their English,
Yes, they should make it a priority.
even 20 minutes a day is enough.
But the key word is focus.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about habits.
Very important.
Because focusing for one day is easy.
But being consistent is hard.
Yes, and success comes from habits, not motivation.
Let's explain that.
Motivation comes and goes.
Some days you feel excited,
Some days you don't.
but habits stay.
Yes, when something becomes a habit, you do it without thinking.
Like brushing your teeth.
Exactly.
So we should build habits for learning and growth.
Yes, but how do we do that?
Start small.
Very small.
Don't say, I will study 3 hours every day.
That sounds overwhelming.
Instead, say, I will study 10 minutes daily.
That feels easy and possible.
And consistency matters more than intensity.
That is a very powerful idea.
Because small steps repeated every day create big change.
Now I understand something important.
What is it, Emma?
Wasting time is not just about big mistakes.
It is about small daily choices.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about something real.
Okay, Jack.
Procrastination.
Ah, the biggest enemy of time.
Why do people delay things?
Because they feel uncomfortable.
So they avoid the task,
Yes, and choose something easier.
like checking their phone.
Exactly.
So how do we fight procrastination?
A simple rule. Start before you feel ready.
That is powerful.
Because waiting for the perfect mood never works.
So action creates motivation, not the other way around. Let's try a real-life example.
Okay.
Someone wants to speak English confidently,
Yes, but they feel shy.
so they delay practice.
But if they start speaking, even with mistakes,
Their confidence will grow.
exactly.
So starting is the hardest part.
But also the most important.
Now I want to ask you something.
Go ahead, Jack.
What is one mindset shift that can change everything?
Think long term.
What does that mean?
Don't just think about today. Think about your future.
So every small action matters.
Yes, every day is building your future life.
That is deep.
Let me say something powerful.
I'm listening.
The life you want is built by how you use your time today.
That really hits hard.
Because it is true.
Now it feels like this is not just about time.
It is about life.
So how do we change this?
By becoming intentional.
Intentional. I like that word.
It means you don't live randomly.
You choose how you live.
Yes, instead of reacting to life, you design your life.
Let's make it practical again.
Okay,
What does an intentional day look like?
it is simple.
You wake up and know your priority,
You focus on one important thing.
and you avoid distractions.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, because clarity removes stress.
Now I understand something important.
What is it, Emma?
Focus is not about doing many things.
It is about doing the right things.
Let me ask you something, Jack.
Go ahead, Emma.
What is one thing people often do but regret later?
Delaying their goals.
Yes, saying, I will start tomorrow.
Or I will do it later.
But later becomes never.
That is so true.
Here's something powerful.
Tell me.
The cost of wasting time is invisible, but very real.
Invisible? What do you mean?
You don't see it immediately.
But slowly it takes away your potential.
That is a very deep idea, Jack.
Yes, Emma. Wasting time takes away your growth.
It also takes away your opportunities.
And even your future.
So every wasted hour has a hidden cost.
Exactly, Emma. Now it feels like a wake-up call.
Yes, it should be a wake-up call for everyone.
So what is the solution, Emma?
The solution is discipline.
Ah, that is a difficult word.
Yes, but it is also a very powerful word.
Can you explain it simply?
Discipline means doing what is important, even when you don't feel like it.
So it means not depending on your mood.
Exactly.
That sounds hard.
Yes, it is hard, but it is necessary.
Because feelings change.
But discipline stays.
Let's connect everything we learned.
Okay, Jack.
If someone wants success, what do they need?
They need focus.
They also need discipline.
And they need awareness.
And they must stop wasting time.
Exactly.
Even small daily improvements can create big results over time.
Now I want to say something to our listeners.
Go ahead, Emma.
You don't need to change your whole life today.
Just start with one small step.
One focused hour.
One meaningful action.
One decision to not waste time.
That is enough to begin.
And slowly, your life will change.
Yes, because change is built every day.
Now it feels like this episode is not just about English.
It is about becoming a better version of yourself.
Exactly.
And maybe that is the most important lesson.
Before we finish, let's slow down a little.
Yes, and look at some important words and phrases we used today.
These words will help you understand and express your ideas better.
And they will help you speak English more clearly and confidently.
Let's start with an important word. Intentional.
Intentional means doing something with purpose.
Not by accident, but by choice.
For example, she is living an intentional life focused on her goals.
Or being intentional with your time can change your future.
Repeat after us. Intentional.
Next word. Distraction.
A distraction is something that takes your attention away.
For example, social media is a big distraction.
Or he turned off his phone to avoid distractions.
Repeat. Distraction.
Next word, discipline.
Discipline means controlling yourself and doing what is important.
Even when it is difficult.
For example, success requires discipline and consistency.
Or she showed discipline by practicing every day.
Repeat. Discipline.
Next phrase, waste time.
To waste time means to use time in a meaningless way.
For example, he wasted hours watching random videos.
Or, don't waste your time on things that don't matter.
Repeat, waste time.
Next word, focus.
Focus means giving full attention to something.
For example, she is focused on her studies.
Or, if you focus, you can achieve more in less time.
Repeat, focus.
Next phrase, comfort zone.
A comfort zone is a place where you feel safe but don't grow.
For example, he stayed in his comfort zone and avoided challenges.
Or, growth begins when you leave your comfort zone.
Repeat, comfort zone.
Next word, procrastination.
Procrastination means delaying something.
For example, procrastination stops people from achieving their goals.
Or, she overcame procrastination by starting small.
Repeat, procrastination. Next phrase, take action.
To take action means to start doing something.
For example, success begins when you take action.
Or, he stopped thinking and finally took action.
Repeat, take action. Next word, priority.
Priority means something very important.
For example, learning English is her top priority.
Or, you should focus on your main priorities first.
Repeat, priority.
And the final word, consistency.
Consistency means doing something regularly over time.
For example, consistency is the key to success.
Or, small efforts with consistency create big results.
Repeat, consistency.
These were the key words from today's episode.
Together, they teach us how to stop wasting time.
And how to build a meaningful life.
Exactly.
The real value of today's episode is not only English.
It is also about using your time better.
So, we leave you with one simple question.
What are you doing with your time today?
And one